Hey T-Squad, it's Kirsty. Today we're stepping out of celebrity gossip territory and straight into court document land because this one isn't rumor, it isn't Reddit fan fiction, and it isn't a TikTok whisper. This is a civil lawsuit filed in Los Angeles Superior Court, and it names Will Smith and his management company. So, let's break this down, P. Style facts first. Allegations second. And the red flags last. No hype, no bias. Just what's on paper. The plaintiff is Brian King Joseph, a professional electric violinist who toured with Will Smith during his Based on a True Story 2025 tour. This was not a random fan interaction. This was an employment relationship paid, contracted, and managed through Smith's team. That matters legally. A lot. According to the complaint, Brian says he was brought into Smith's orbit professionally, performances, rehearsals, access, proximity. He alleges there was a pattern of grooming behavior, meaning gradual boundary testing that escalated over time. Important pause here. That word grooming is not internet slang, it's legal language used in harassment cases to describe power imbalanced conduct. This is the core of the lawsuit. Brian says while on tour in Las Vegas, he returned to his hotel room booked by Smith's team and found it had been entered without his permission. No broken locks. No forced entry. But inside the room he allegedly found a backpack he didn't own, a beer bottle, used wipes, hospital paperwork, HIV medication in someone else's name, a loose earring, and then the part that made him fear for his safety, a handwritten note that allegedly read, "Brian, I'll be back. Just us." With a heart, signed, Stone F. Let that sit for a second. Brian says he didn't stay quiet. He reported the incident to hotel staff, local police via the non-emergency line me, Will Smith's management team /in. This step is critical because legally, once an employee reports a safety or harassment concern, they are protected from retaliation. According to the lawsuit, instead of support, he says he was shamed by a tour manager. His concerns were minimized, and shortly after he was removed from the tour, a replacement violinist was hired. The timing is the problem, because in employment law, firing someone after they report an incident is not neutral, it's suspicious. The claims filed include sexual harassment, retaliation, wrongful termination, emotional distress and PTSD, financial and reputational damage. He is seeking damages and a jury trial. This is not a criminal case. There is no arrest. There is no conviction. But it is a sworn legal filing, and lying in one carries consequences. Smith's legal team has flatly denied everything. They've called the allegations false, baseless, and reckless, and say they intend to fight the case fully. At this stage, no evidence has been ruled on. No motions have been decided. No discovery has been made public. Here's where P.I. mode kicks in. Who is Stone F and why hasn't that been clarified? How was the hotel room accessed and by whom? Why fire the person who reported the incident instead of investigating it? And why has there been no explanation for the note allegedly left behind? Hotel key logs exist. Tour management emails exist. Text messages exist. Those answers don't live on Twitter, they live in discovery. This case is not about canceling anyone. It's not about defending anyone either. It's about accountability through process. Either these allegations will collapse under scrutiny, or there is evidence we haven't seen yet. And the courtroom, not the comment section, will decide that. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think this was retaliation? Or a misunderstanding that spiraled into litigation? And as always, like and subscribe. Keep sipping that tea.